How are you doing today?
That's great. Great. It's been most happening day compared with the last 2 days.
Could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Sri Vikas. I am working as a GM for this economic constructions. Yeah.
Well, Mr. How do you feel being part of Gruha Pravesha by IndiaProperty.com? How it is like?
Yeah, the visibility and the awareness, I think, is compared with any other property shows. That's what I've been seeing the last quarter of this year. We've been seeing the very new crowd and new faces we have been seeing, right? And they've been inquiring about the projects, and maybe this is the right time to invest also, because whatever we have been seeing the bad days, I think it's going to be end up right. So that's how I think we have been seeing the great response in this proposition.
As you specified that you're seeing good days, so are you liking Gruha Pravesha?
Yes, absolutely.
Amazing. So could you please highlight about the customer response for the last few days?
Yes, that's what with so much awareness and so much seriousness about to inquire about the project, and they've been spending time here, and they've been taking, and we have seen few site visits immediately also. Today also I have seen that they came to a stall and immediately they are going to visit my project. So this is a good response. They're very pro to purchase or something like that. Now I think this every stall owners, I think this is their efforts to convert the this thing, right. And I think India Property has done its role to bring the right crowd. That's what I've seen. Whatever this target segment, that's what we have seen. There is no just only a quantity, the huge quantity been rushing around or something like. Compared with even last year also, I've been seeing that very quality and serious buyers I have been seeing. I think everyone will get a good business, I think, this time.
Well, it's really nice to know that you're liking our work, and I would like to conclude asking you, how do you compare Gruha Pravesha by IndiaProperty.com with other property shows?
Other property shows is only property show, and you mentioned the name itself is a Gruha Pravesha. So you are taking the customer into the flat, or into the villa. So that is, I think it makes the difference. And the visibility, the way the Gruha Pravesha name itself will be very catchy to. That's what the people will feel that to position for their own flat or something, and the kind of what you call it's a marketing aspect and other things I think that's done excellent job. The more aware of the crowd and all, the way it's been narrated. I was a little bit disappointed. Last time they made a die-house for that, and a lot of customer the discussion chairs, gates and all, tables and all. This time I think more occupied with the stalls. Last time it's been little more organized aspect. But the advantage of this property show is I've seen that very new ventures also has come in the market. So there also, I think most of the projects I think displayed here. So that's definitely is helping to more visiting here. So that's how India Property has been differentiate from any other more commitment we can see. So that's the compared with another property show. It's not just conducting a property show. I think it's a more commitment towards the visitors also.
Well, thanks a lot for your input, sir. We'll see to that we'll take care of it, and we'll take Gruha Pravesha to our next level of the coming years. Well, thanks a lot for your time, and all the best for your future projects.